Setting and communicating performance standards, measuring standards, comparing standards, discussing results, taking corrective standards. Plan the performance, identify and communicate performance goals, establish performance criteria. Determine appraisal period and methods, responsibilities for appraisal. Examine work performed. Appraise the results. Conduct appraisal interview. Discuss goals for next period. Anticipate and consider problems in performance appraisal, effective performance appraisal system, management support, coaching and training and development. Employee's role. If an employee doesn't have a work profile within the first month of employment, they should ask their supervisor when they can meet to put one together. Bring to your supervisor's attention conditions or circumstances that are changing during the review year, which could impact your ability to complete a performance expectation. Ask your supervisor periodically how you are doing, and ask for at least one meeting midway through the review period to discuss how your performance is measuring up to expectations. If you disagree with the performance rating you received, check to see if you achieved results which are not included on the evaluation. Remember that this is an evaluation of results, not activities. Discuss with your superior any questions you have about what is on the evaluation. Seek out a member of your HR department to discuss your results. What is the Balanced Scorecard? The Balanced Scorecard is a management tool that provides stakeholders with a comprehensive measure of how the organization is progressing towards the achievement of its strategic goals. The Balanced Scorecard balances financial and non-financial measures, balances short and long-term measures, balances performance drivers, leading indicators, with outcome measures, lagging indicators, should contain just enough data to give a complete picture of organizational performance and no more, leads to strategic focus and organizational alignment. Learning and growth. To achieve our goals, how must we learn, communicate, and grow? Internal. To satisfy our customers and stakeholders, in which business processes must we excel? Financial or regulatory. To satisfy our constituents, what financial and regulatory objectives must we accomplish? Customer. To achieve our vision, what customer needs must we serve? Importance of the Balanced Scorecard, mission and vision. Strategic planning. Balanced Scorecard. Activity-based costing, economic value added, forecasting, benchmarking, market research, best practices, Six Sigma, statistical process control, re-engineering, ISO 9000, total quality management, empowerment, learning organization, self-directed work teams, change management. Possible performance measures. Customer perspective. Financial or regulatory perspective. Internal perspective. Learning and growth. Let's look at each one of them in detail. Customer perspective. To achieve our vision, what customer needs must we serve? Possible performance measures. Customer satisfaction, average. Satisfaction gap analysis, satisfaction versus level of importance. Satisfaction distribution, percentage of each area scored. Financial or regulatory perspective. To satisfy our constituents, what financial and regulatory objectives must we accomplish? Possible performance measures. Cost or unit, unfunded requirements or projects, cost of service, budget projections and targets. Internal perspective. To satisfy our customers, in which business processes must we excel? Possible performance measures. Cycle time, completion rate, workload and employee utilization, transactions per employee, errors or rework. Learning and growth. To achieve our goals and accomplish core activities, how must we learn, communicate, and work together? Possible performance measures. Employee satisfaction, retention and turnover, training hours and resources, technology investment. Targets. Targets need to be set for all measures. Should have a solid basis. Give personnel something for which to aim. If achieved, will transform the organization. Initiatives. Once measures and targets are established, it is the responsibility of management to determine how the organization will achieve its goals. Measures are used to determine the effectiveness of strategic initiatives. Performance management for the organization. To give feedback to the staff about their performance. Encourages good work and points towards improvement opportunity. Helps setting measurable targets and objectives. Increases role clarity. Helps to point out training and development needs. Helps decide compensations and rewards. Helps in career planning. Enhances corporate value. Characteristics of performance management organizations. Performance-managed organizations are likely to have the following characteristics. Measurable performance targets. Manage learning linked with organizational goals on the one hand and with career development on the other. Preeminence of intrinsic needs of managers without neglecting their extrinsic needs. Ownership of performance management by line management rather than the personnel function. Strategy-focused organization. Mission, what we do. Vision, what we aspire to be. Strategies, how we accomplish our goals. Measures, indicators of our progress. Strategic performance management system. Strategic direction, create environment for change. Communicate strategies, define objectives, implement balanced scorecard. Balanced scorecard, measure performance, improve processes. Evaluate and adjust continuous improvement, redefine initiatives. Linking it all together.